Birkenstock Holding plc Stock Technical Analysis. Equities. BIRK. General Overview and Trend. Birkenstock Holding plc has experienced a volatile 3-month period, starting near 55.83 in late May and peaking at 57.20 in early June before entering a downtrend. The stock bottomed at 46.42 in mid-July and has since recovered to 50.51 as of August 18. The overall trend remains bearish over the medium term, but the recent 8% rebound from July lows suggests potential stabilization. The stock trades below key long-term moving averages, indicating the downtrend is not yet reversed, though short-term momentum has improved modestly. Price and volume. Price action shows significant volatility, with sharp declines in June and July followed by a gradual recovery in August. Volume patterns reveal sporadic spikes during major moves, such as 5.9 million shares on July 14 during a decline and 3.8 million shares on August 13 during a rise to 50.23. The recent close at 50.51 on August 18 saw moderate volume of 2.7 million shares. Volume during the recovery phase has been inconsistent, lacking strong conviction, suggesting institutional participation remains limited. Moving averages EMA and SMA. Short-term moving averages 5, 10, 20, 21, 25, 30 days hover near the current price of 50.51, reflecting consolidation. Medium-term averages 50, 63 days are slightly above the price, indicating residual bearish pressure. Long-term averages 100, 125, 150, 200 days are mixed, with some above and some below the price, signaling a transitional phase. Exponential moving averages are generally below their simple counterparts, highlighting recent weakness. The stock trades below most key averages, reinforcing the bearish medium-term outlook. Technical indicators. Momentum indicators present a neutral bearish picture, MACD at -0.21 with a positive histogram of 0.08 suggests slowing bearish momentum, while RSI 14 at 53.09 and Williams of 14 at -40 indicate neutrality. Money flow index at 45.06 reflects mild selling pressure. Stochastics show divergence, with 15-day readings, K39.00, D23.82, signaling bearish momentum, while 5-day values, K62.93, D60.26, hint at short-term strength. The Commodity Channel Index at 10.97 is neutral. Trend indicators like ADX at 18.83 confirm weak trend strength, and the negative Aroon oscillator at -57.14 underscores bearish dominance. Volatility metrics show the price near the middle Bollinger Band, with ATR at 152 indicating low volatility. Volume indicators like Chaikin oscillator at 27130.09 suggest mild accumulation. Linear regression. Price action and technicals imply the stock trades below its short and medium-term regression lines, consistent with the downtrend. The recovery from July lows has brought the stock closer to these lines but has not breached them. This suggests the bearish structure remains intact, though a sustained move above 51.00 could challenge this dynamic. Next trading day opening prediction. Given the neutral bearish technical setup and the stock's position below key moving averages, the next session is likely to open near 50.30-50.60. Weak trend strength and proximity to resistance may cap upside, though the positive Chaikin oscillator could limit downside. A flat to slightly lower open appears probable, with early direction dependent on broader market sentiment. Resistance and support analysis. Immediate resistance stands at 51.00, a psychological barrier and recent high. Secondary resistance lies at 52.00-52.50, aligning with late July peaks, while major resistance is at 53.00-54.00, June highs. Support is found at 49.50, recent low, followed by 48.50, July consolidation, and 47.00-47.50, July lows. At 50.51, the stock is closer to resistance than support, suggesting limited near-term upside. Intraday movement may test 51.00 resistance, with failure likely prompting a retreat toward 49.50 support. Intraday ATR 14 based potential high and low values. With an ATR of 152, the session's theoretical high is 52.03, 50.51 plus 152, and low is 48.99, 50.51, 152. However, low volatility and proximity to resistance suggest a narrower range of 49.80-51.20. Downside risk appears elevated given the bearish medium-term structure. Possible scenarios. A bullish scenario requires a decisive break above 51.00, targeting 52.00-52.50 with rising volume and improving momentum indicators. Confirmation would need a close above 51.50. A bearish scenario involves rejection at 51.00, leading to a decline toward 49.50 support. A breach here could accelerate losses to 48.50 or 47.50, especially with rising volume. A neutral scenario entails consolidation between 49.50-51.00 as the market awaits catalysts, with low volume and compressed volatility. Conclusion. Birkenstock Holding plc remains in a medium-term downtrend despite a modest recovery from July lows. Technical indicators reflect weak momentum, low volatility, and bearish pressure, with the stock trapped below key moving averages. The risk-reward ratio is unfavorable for long positions at current levels, given proximity to resistance and lack of strong bullish signals. Traders should await a confirmed break above 51.00 for bullish exposure or a breakdown below 49.50 for short opportunities. The positive Chaikin oscillator hints at underlying accumulation, but this requires validation through sustained price strength and volume. Caution is advised, as the stock needs to reclaim critical moving averages to signal a durable trend reversal. Disclaimer: this analysis is for educational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. Markets involve risk.